Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony brand projector and you're trying to put it in high altitude mode. It's really easy to do this. We can just do this straight from the menu. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our controller and we're going to hit the menu button. And that's going to open up this standard menu that we've got. And you can see wherever the white is where I'm at. So I'm up here right now. So I can scroll down or I can scroll into the menu if I want to the right on using these arrows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down one, down two. And you'll see here I have this option to put it in high altitude mode. So I'm going to scroll one to the right and then down to high altitude mode. And then I can just toggle up, confirm, and it's now on high altitude mode. It's as simple as that. And then I can do the same thing if I want to take it out of high altitude mode. I'll come over here, click on it, scroll down to off, and it's out of all. And when I'm done, I just have to hit the menu button and it will take me back to the TV. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.